Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the USB to convert to 3.5 millimeter jack for your headsets and also for your microphone. So I purchased each of them. I think it's about 90 something cents each. And then the seller only got 5 of this, so I figured I'd cup all 5 of them just in case. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this one came from China, okay? So it took a while to get here. But if you guys are willing to wait, that's fine. I mean, get this for good price. Why they send me this color? This is like a smoke versus blue. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. If I could get it open, let's see. See, it says 3D sound, and this is the USB, and it converts to your 3.5 millimeter jack microphone and to your headsets. Okay, for those viewers out there was questioning me about how to connect their PS3 or PS4 or maybe their Xbox, you could use this to convert it to your gaming headsets. Okay. And there, after that, you connect this one. There are some settings that you need to change on your gaming console to modify it in order for it to work. All right. So please be sure to give a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and turn on the bell for notification. Please also share this with your friends and family on social media if they need to purchase one of this in order to put their gaming headsets on their gaming console, either their PS, Sony PlayStation, or their Xbox. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.